Sceptre monitor drivers are essential software components that enable your computer to communicate effectively with your Sceptre display. These drivers unlock your monitor's full potential and advanced features. There are two main types of monitor drivers. Generic plug-and-play drivers come built into Windows and provide basic functionality. While these work adequately for most users, they only offer limited features. Manufacturer-specific drivers from Sceptre unlock advanced features that significantly enhance your viewing experience. These include HDR support, variable refresh rates, accurate color reproduction, and reduced input lag for gaming. It's crucial to understand the difference between display drivers and graphics drivers. Display drivers control monitor-specific features like color calibration and refresh rates. Graphics drivers from companies like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel handle rendering performance and 3D acceleration. Both types work together, but serve different purposes in your display system. One major advantage of manufacturer-specific drivers is HDR support. High dynamic range technology provides wider color gamuts and better contrast ratios, creating more lifelike images compared to standard SDR displays. Variable refresh rate technology, including FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility, requires proper drivers to function correctly. This eliminates screen tearing and reduces input lag, crucial for gaming monitors with high refresh rates. There are four primary methods to install Sceptre monitor drivers. Windows Update provides automatic integration, while Device Manager offers a built-in Windows solution. Direct downloads from Sceptre's website ensure you get the latest manufacturer drivers, while third-party automated tools can simplify the process, but should be used with caution. The Device Manager method is built into Windows and provides a straightforward way to update drivers. You can access it through the system properties and navigate to your monitor's entry to trigger an update. Proper driver installation provides significant benefits, including enhanced color accuracy, reduced input lag for gaming, support for high refresh rates up to 240 Hz, and access to advanced features like HDR and variable refresh rate technology. Understanding these driver fundamentals is essential before proceeding with installation. While generic drivers work for basic use, Sceptre-specific drivers unlock your monitor's full potential with advanced features and optimized performance. There are three reliable methods to update your Sceptre monitor drivers. Each method has different advantages depending on your technical comfort level and specific needs. Method 1 uses Windows Update, which is the simplest approach. Windows automatically detects your monitor and downloads appropriate drivers. This method works well for basic functionality and is recommended for most users. Method 2 uses Device Manager, Windows' built-in hardware management tool. This approach gives you more control over the driver installation process and can resolve issues when Windows Update doesn't find the right driver. Method 3 involves manually downloading drivers from Sceptre's website. This method ensures you get the latest, most specific drivers for your exact monitor model and unlocks advanced features. After downloading the driver package, extract the files and run the setup program as administrator. The installation wizard will guide you through the process and may require a restart to complete the installation. Regular driver updates provide significant benefits for your monitor's performance. Updated drivers ensure optimal display quality, full resolution support, accurate colors, and compatibility with the latest Windows features. Here are essential troubleshooting tips to ensure successful driver installation. Always create a system restore point before making changes, and verify your monitor model number to download the correct drivers. Most importantly, only download drivers from official manufacturer websites to avoid security risks.